Hey everybody, I found an old tool of mine. Let's see if I can get it zoomed in. It's not going to zoom in on it. Zoom. Oh, there. Maybe. I guess spend about an hour doing this. Oh, there you go. Leatherman micra. Leatherman micra. Okay. So, it's the Leatherman micra. A little keychain tool. It's literally about an inch and a half thick, or an inch and a half in length. Has a little ruler on the side, so I'm guessing that's correct. 2 inches, sorry. 2 inches long. Has some of the best scissors I've ever seen. Used for some more hard stuff. I cut through a watermelon stem with that. And then I'll show you some of the things on it. It has a ruler on the outside. It's all stainless steel. Get my fingers out there. I'm sure you did watch my videos to see my fingers. Although some of you might. It might be a little weird. Okay. Tools it has on it. Has some okay tweezers. You won't really want to use them too much. There's a bottle opener, a little screwdriver, or a punch. Whatever you really want to use it for. It's a multi-tool. You can use the tools for whatever you want. Here's a Phillips. Nice thing is, it even says Phillips for people that don't know what a Phillips is. It's really not wanting to pick up details today. For Phillips, yay. Okay, on this side, it has the worst knife I've ever seen in my life. There it is. I don't know what I used to cut it. I think I got it at a yard sale, so you can see it. Yeah, look how good a shape that blade is in. Yep. That's chipped all over the place. And then on this side, there's no grind lines, so it has a chisel grind on it. I believe that's what it's called when it's on ground on one side. Okay. Worst blade in the world. I love this knife though. Fingernail file and whatever that little claw thing is. I'm sure it's something for your nails. And let's see if I can get this other tool. And another little screwdriver type thing. So I'll take all the tools out and show a close-up of it. I hate that knife. Okay. I'll hold it by the knife and these tweezers, you know. Almost cut myself there. Not a good idea holding a knife, but never said I was into that safety stuff. People I know watch this, so I'm totally safe with my knives. Totally safe. And there you go. The little Leatherman micra. One of the best scissors on a multi-tool you can possibly get. And the size of about my finger. Okay, about my thumb. Probably hide it behind my thumb. I'll do it like that. There. I hid it behind my thumb. Anyways, now I'm blabbing. I will let you guys go. Goodbye.